is Mila Tikil with another episode from parkbridge.com. Today I am with Shivers, custom woodwork, and I would like to introduce AJ and Christina, and they will tell you something about their business.
Hi, I'm Christina Shivers. We're with Shivers Custom Woodwork.
Hi, I'm AJ, the mastermind.
Okay, mastermind. We do custom cabinets, built-ins. We've done a lot of stuff. Most of the stuff you see behind us is prepped for paint and ready to go. He's pretty good at building.
That's about it.
So, can you tell us how long you are in the business?
We have been doing this. It'll be for a year, but he's got 20 years of experience.
Yeah, we specialize in anything wood. We do mainly cabinets and built-ins. We have done a few tables, entryway tables, dining room tables, kitchen cabinets, built-in bookshelves. We've done some closet remodels. You name it, we can do it.
So where people can find you?
You can find us on the web. We have our website up. It's www.shiverscustomwoodwork.com. Otherwise, you can also find us on Facebook.
Twitter.
We're not on Twitter.
Not on Twitter?
No, we're not on Twitter.
Oh. Instagram.
Yes, we are. I handle all of the marketing and the sales portion of it, and he is definitely the mastermind, and he's a craftsman. I sand and paint. We're kind of this just two-person team, and we kind of make it work. The phone number to reach us for appointments, for consultations, which we do for free, is 214-326-2866.
Yeah, I mean, that's the way we do most of our stuff is when somebody, this
Pretty
is
much.
built to order based on what the customer wants. If
And
they
we
send
tell
us a picture of something that they like, we can tell them, yeah, we can do it exactly like that, or the way that they built it's not going to work out the way that we do it, because we use all our products are made from hardwood. And some of the people, like the stuff that you find online and the stuff that you purchase through the internet is all carbon fiber, fiberglass, and it's hardy board, and it's stuff that's not going to last the way that we do it, because we do it out of hardwood. And if you try to do the same thing out of hardwood that they do out of like fiberglass and composites, it's just not possible. So we'll tweak some things here and there to make what the customer wants and try to get as close as the original design, but all from hardwood. And it's actually going to last a lot longer than the composites and stuff that you get online.
Yeah. We're not IKEA. You want some real wood? Come see us. We'll come give you a free consultation.
Okay guys, so everybody, you heard what they are doing, how they can help you with your extra orders. So please give them a chance and call and make appointment and just get free consultation for your next furniture. And I will put all the information under the video. And if everybody else is interested about some short video about your company or your products which you would like to feature, please give me a call. Thank you so much and see you next time.
Thank you. We have been playing with our wood since 2018.